Hey guys, I'm Selena and welcome back to crushyballs channel. Today I will show you how to make crushyballs filters manually step by step. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. Hold the cigarette in one hand, and insert the stick to make hole in cigarette filter. Turn the stick and hold the capsule. Use a stick swab to push the flavor capsule slowly into the cigarette filter. And squeeze it. Now your flavor cigarette is ready. Now with an automatic dispenser. Insert a cigarette into the dispenser loading passage. Slide the lever to release a crush ball into the passage. And pull the lever down, to dispense the crushing ball, into the cigarette filter. Squeeze the filter to pop the crush ball, and enjoy. Thanks for watching video. If you like this video, please hit that like button.